This is PickleballTrkr, a pickleball score tracking app I've built for Apple Watch, now available for download in the App Store. Once installed, you can launch it from the watch face, go to Apps, then find PickleballTrkr. From the Start screen, tap the Settings button on the right to customize the pickleball match settings. You can set how many points are needed to win a game. I'll set it to 11 points. Next, you can set up the scoring format. PickleballTrkr supports traditional side-out scoring, as well as rally scoring both with and without a freeze. Next, you can set how many games are needed to win the match. You can choose from 1 game, best of 3 games, or best of 5 games. I'll go ahead and set it to 1 game. Let's return to the Start screen and then tap Play. Select if this is doubles or singles. I'll select doubles. Next, set which side is serving first. I'll say my side. If this is your first time using PickleballTrkr on your Apple Watch, you'll be asked to grant the app permission to Apple Health. This is needed for PickleballTrkr to create workouts in your Apple Fitness app. Scroll down and select Review. Select all requested data below to give PickleballTrkr permission to create a pickleball workout. Then tap Next. Then also grant PickleballTrkr access to view your heart rate and active energy by tapping all requested data below. This is needed so PickleballTrkr can show your heart rate and calories burned while in a match. Tap Done. Now, this is the PickleballTrkr match screen. You can see the score is 0-0. The 2 dots next to me denotes my side is on the second server. After a rally, simply tap which side wins the rally. So let's say I win the rally, so I'll tap me, and now my team's score is 1. Now say the opponent wins the next rally, so I'll tap here, and you'll see this pop-up noting that this is a side out, and now see we are on the first server for the opponent. Let's say the opponent won the next rally, so I'll tap opponent again, and now the opponent's score is 1. You can also keep track of service stats. Say, for example, the opponent hit the ball out on the next serve. Tap the menu icon at the center and select Service Fault. Now we change to the opponent's sides to the second server. You can also use this menu to keep track of aces. For example, I'll tap the menu and select Ace. You can view match stats during the match by tapping the down arrow at the bottom. Here you can see rally wins, aces, service faults, as well as this match's duration. You can also end the match early from this menu by selecting End Match. If you ever enter a score incorrectly, tap the Undo button at the top left. PickleballTrkr is treated like a workout app on your Apple Watch, so some watch faces will show a pickleball icon at the top as well as a live activity. Simply tap the live activity or icon to return to PickleballTrkr. When the match is finished, you'll see this results screen. You can review match stats by tapping the arrow at the bottom. Tap the checkmark to save the match and return to the Pickleball Start screen. This will also save a pickleball workout session in Apple Fitness. You can view recent PickleballTrkr matches as well. From the Start screen, tap the Previous Matches button on the left. Here, you can select a match and view that match's score, stats, and duration. Also, since PickleballTrkr also records a pickleball workout session in your Apple Health records, if you open Apple Fitness on your phone or watch, you'll see your pickleball match as a recorded pickleball workout session. Download PickleballTrkr for your Apple Watch from the App Store. Find a link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Until next time.